true.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't think we've got. I don't think.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything so far.
No, this was kind of interesting. I guess it's whether we have a little bit of movement in that.
Oh, in there?
Yeah. I mean, I've indexed it up here, and that seems to be pretty true. There's no run out up on this part of the shaft. I mean, this distance here is supposed to be like 1.5 times the diameter of the shaft, no more than that, and that's about what it looks like. Now I'm gonna put the blade right on there, so this. Okay, go ahead, turn it. So that's pretty true.
Yeah, it's not